Kia ora, welcome to Edge Learning. In this video, we're going to have a look at using Assay as a dean.
The first thing that's going to be helpful to do is come into the wizard and have a look at the Dean mode. What this gives us is it gives us a selection of a particular year level or a specific tutor group if you're after it. In this example, we're going to look at the Year 13 students. And we want a quick graph of who's passed so far. Now we're towards the start of the year with this data, so we're going to have a look at which ones have passed level 2, split up by their tutor group. What this shows us is it shows us the performance of each of these students and their level 2 results last year, split up by their tutor group, so we can easily see if there's any tutor groups where we might be needing to provide some extra support. If we come back into that wizard, Dean mode, and again for that Year 13 group, we also can have a look at graph of how many credits each student has, and this time we'll have a look at level 3. This time we'll split it up by gender. What this shows us is it shows us the progression towards getting level 3. So far we can see there's a few students here, about 7.5% of them, sitting down on 0 to 9 credits, and up the far end we've got one student here sitting on 70 to 79 credits. With the males, we've got 51 of them, or 36.2% of them, sitting on that 10 to 19%. Also inside this wizard, we can come and have a look at the table with a whole lot of handy info. And we'll have a look at the same level 3 group. What this allows us to do is easily highlight those students with attendance issues, with pastoral item issues, who haven't got level 3 so far, the number of credits that students are sitting on for their level 3, their merit and excellence credits combined, so we can see who's got a merit endorsement or is close to it, and same with the excellence credits. We can see if there's any students that don't yet have numeracy and don't have UE literacy. We can also see the number of credits that students have passed this year, the percentage of achievement standard credits passed at excellence, which we use to work out our ducks. We can see there's a lot of students there sitting on 100% currently. And the estimated level 3 credits for just internals and for internals and externals. What this allows us to do is really easily get a benchmark of which students, if they continue at their current rate of performance, aren't going to meet the criteria to get level 3. If we come back to the home, the other thing that can be useful is these global dashboards. If we're looking at that Year 13 group of students again, what we can do is we can hover over these areas to highlight any students that may be an issue. You'll notice all of these names are a bit weird. They've been randomized for privacy. We can also see which students don't have level 1 literacy and level 2 literacy and their numeracy. We can also see which students have passed level 2 with achieved merit and excellence. And we can come in, and if we have a look at their level 3 credits, we can have a look and see who's close to getting their endorsements at merit and excellence level as well, and also the number of credits that they've got so far. The other thing we can do is we can come and have a look at this growth dashboard. If we have a look at our Year 13 cohort, what this allows us to do is it allows us to see which students were achieving at each of these levels. So we can see these students here got an average of 9 in the Year 9 PATs, and so far these students here are sitting on an excellence average. We can also filter this down by tutor class, or what we can do is click on a student, and what this allows us to see is it allows us to see their performance relative to their cohort over time. So we can see this student here started off at fairly average, but so far in Year 13 they've had a big drop off, which you can see by this line going down. This line represents the percentile performance of where that student is relative to their year level.
Thanks for watching.